Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The second bias that I am going to present before you guys is affect heuristic. I don't know how is it pronounced, and do let me know if I'm attempting this word correctly. Anyhow, the affect heuristic says that if you will associate positive emotions with your product, people are more likely to buy it. For example, if you will associate high benefits and low risk with your product, people are more likely to get attracted. And the converse case is that if you will associate low benefits and high risk with your product, people are more likely to run. They will avoid it. Now, one could easily understand that why one would associate high benefits and low risk with your product. Obviously, people we would want them to buy your product, but why one would associate high risk with your product? As I said in one of the previous videos, that copywriting or persuasion is not just about sales. We have recently observed an example where we are forced to associate our negative emotions with a certain disease. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about the coronavirus. Okay, we've been told in the commercials, in the infomercials, on the phone calls, on everything, on any of the ad, many banners, many social media campaigns were based on this thing, that we have to associate so much pain, so much high risk with coronavirus so that we could keep ourselves protected. Now, if there is a soap making company, or if there is a detergent making company, now they would associate high benefits of using their product so that you could avoid the high risk thing like corona. So this is how the affect heuristic works. Now, before writing a copy, list down all the benefits that are associated with your product, and also brainstorm on this point. If there are any risks associated with your product, there could be any possible allergies, there could be any side effects of using your products. List down all those as well, and keep on targeting all those dots within the mind of your readers. And also think about the demon that your product serves to kill. What is that problem which your product is solving? Associate high risk with that problem and work out if there is any misconception about that product which people might be presuming those to be benefit, but actually they are not. Just clarify all those things. Associate positive emotions with your product and associate negative emotions with the problem that your product solves. That's it. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.